The last three parts of prime time that we will cover will be the distributive property, which we've called whoop whoop, where we multiply 6 times 3 plus 6 times 2x to get 18 plus 12x. Combining like terms, which means combining all your a's, combining all your c's to get 2a plus 3c, and taking a look at exponents, just seeing that r times r times r times r is r to the fourth, and that you can actually multiply exponents, and really what you do is just add that exponent number. 2 plus 3 is 5. So first, distributive property, we need to be able to represent it with area. So here are two rectangles. Here's a 3 by 5 and here's one that's 3 by 2. So there's two ways we can find the area. We could say, well, 3 times 5 plus 3 times 2 would be the area. That's the area of the green and the area of the orange. Or we could say 3 times 5 plus 2. And that's really just the distributive property. So we'll see that this is 15 plus 6, and this is 7, so 3 times 7. On either side we get 21. So 21 equals 21. Here's another example, this time with a variable. So we have a rectangle that looks like this, actually two rectangles, and the dimensions are 2, 3, and x. So this one could be written as 2 times 3 plus 2 times x is the same as 2 times the quantity 3 plus x. So you'll see this is 6, this is 2x, and then this is 2 times 3 plus x. And finally, we'll look at combining like terms. Here's an example with fruit. If we had 4 apples and 3 apples, we have 7 apples. And if we have 3 bananas and 2 bananas, we have 5 bananas. Similarly, if we have A's and B's, if we have 4 A's and 3 A's, right here, 4 A's and 3 A's, we'd have 7 A's. And if we have 3 B's and 2 B's, 3B and 2B is 5B. And finally, exponents. I think you know that c to the fifth is c times c times c times c times c. We'll also see that d to the third times d to the fourth is d to the seventh. If we write this out as d times d times d, and this as d times d times d times d, I think you can see that that's d to the seventh. So all we did when we're multiplying exponents that have the same base is we're adding that exponent piece. That's all for now.